First, install Microsoft PC Manager from the Microsoft Store. Open the app. Use the Boost feature to instantly free up memory. Go into the Process tab and end apps you don't need running. Next, open Startup and disable or uncheck programs that slow down your PC. Run deep cleanup to remove junk files and free up space. Check all mentioned and clean. Finally, perform a health check to optimize your system and fix issues. Your PC is now faster, cleaner, and healthier with Microsoft PC Manager. Subscribe now and keep your computer running fast and smooth.